What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. Now, this week we are joined by members, artists, females who are on the Pink Riddim. So, welcome Raine Seville.
Hi, everybody.
And Sasique.
Hey.
Pamputtae and Goodyplum. Ladies, welcome.
Yay, thanks for having me.
Here. Angel.
Yeah, I'm here.
Pretty Devil.
Live and direct.
No, I don't know what I'm going today now because Angel, Devil.
Perfect combination. Yeah, perfect.
We're not gonna fight?
No, sir.
They're my friend.
We're green. Yeah, we're friends. Yes, it worked.
Real, but yo, look. Oh, that man, look hot, man.
Thank you. Hotness is a gift. That's my motto from day one.
So you have a band with it?
Yeah. And I come overnight, you have to have it.
True.
Oh, man. They are on the Pink Riddim, an all-female rhythm produced by Delamar RDM. Now, we there chill. We have a drink. Where drink Goodyplum? Melon beer. Pamputtae, where drink? We are Ribbies Barbican.
May I drink Pamputtae ribbies?
Pamputtae, where drink?
Pamputtae ribbies.
She renamed that one a Pamputtae ribbies.
Yeah.
Bartender, what a drink I name?
Oak. It name
What
Oak.
a drink I name?
Oak.
Alright.
It name Oak.
She said name Oak.
That tree color.
Yeah, right?
So the bartender say my hook Pamputtae. I not get involved.
Yeah.
But ladies, welcome. So Pamputtae.
Yes.
Every time I see Pamputtae, it feels different.
Oh,
Now,
look, I get
different color
younger.
hairstyle.
Don't blush.
I don't know what I want, but anyway. The name Pamputtae.
Yeah.
The name Pamputtae.
The name.
Because remember, what I used to call it? Bujo
Fabulous from Dirty Friday days, Passa days.
Yeah, over Fletcher's long, long time. Yeah, man. So, how you get that name?
Alright, the name Pamputtae started from a intro from Mataran. When we say, hey, in this village, some girls are very stupid. Hey, Pamputtae. And Mataran say, good as for them, gal, you are good as for them. So from there, so, I get the name Pamputtae. People usually call me Bujo Fabulous.
Why then you call it Bujo Fabulous?
Yeah, because me not art. My name Bujo come from my mother. Because guess what, my mother's surname is Bantan. Enough people don't know that.
Okay.
You understand? So, Bujo and my mother name Bantan.
Yeah.
So, me didn't crew name Fabulous Crew, Fabulous Girls. So, that's where, the Bujo Fabulous come in.
Okay.
And stuff like that. Till it changed to Pamputtae, the artist. You know the thing, go? Yeah.
Yo, look here. Them artists are not normal, no one or two personality. You see this one over here, so no? Goodyplum. Yo,
The only fruit in dancehall.
she said the only fruit in dancehall.
Yeah.
So, you know what? Because if you're the only fruit in a dancer, say, you don't want to bite out of that.
Yeah.
Everybody wants some of that fruit there. Is it the forbidden fruit? No comment. No comment. What Goodyplum? How you come with that name then?
Well, actually, is the selector, Boom Boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, gave me the name Goodyplum because at the time the slang Goody,
Yeah.
they just come out. I think it was 2011. Yeah, so we used to play around with the members of the dance group that I was in, still in. Dance expressions, we call each other Goody Bop, this, that, and Boom Boom. Here we are play around and I call each other Goody Bop and Goody whatever. And them call me Goodyplum.
Okay.
And the name just stick in go party and ball out the name Goodyplum. So
Yeah, man. Yo, so a son name normally going on, you just stick. All when you don't like it, well, you
True.
obviously like your name and you like your
because,
name. All when you don't like it.
I end up, my body mature up and I kind of, look like a real little plum.
The plum right, the plum right now.
Clothes.
The plum
People
right.
say, oh no, I know why your name Goodyplum. So, yeah.
Okay.
Boy, we try well it in the pandemic here, But
Yeah.
we do the work, we do the promotions, the networking and everything.
Sasique.
Yeah, same thing. We just keep it cool and do a little thing same way.
Yeah, man.
The pandemic,
you know, it kind of get corrupt, but we still a work. And we still a push because the work have to go on, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Boy, them come hot out, you know, if they, but we're not seeing a hot pink, you know, me think
Hello.
like they go
No,
hot out with the
excuse
pink.
me, sir. I have on my pink shoes.
Yeah.
Alright, so pink boots there.
Yes.
Me know, me run out of pink. With all of the promotion we're going, yeah.
Raine can't tell us what you have on that pink.
Just one thing.
Just
the
kinda
pink
see.
pearl. The pink right. Just the pink pearl right now.
Alright, but speaking of pink, the Pink Riddim, you know, what's your song on the Pink Riddim? Tell me the title.
My song is called Community. You want me to tell you what it's about?
Yeah, man, give it a rundown of it.
Community. Me a cuss off the community body man them on the rhythm.
It wasn't me. I never me.
Because guess what now? Them always have all kind of name for woman. Woman a this, woman a that, woman a all kind of something, right?
Right.
And we never have a name for the man them yet. So we just say, you know what? Community body. So me a cuss off all community. You know, they all about like road, miss a community body.
Tell him to move.
Alright, so Raine song named Community Body.
Yes.
Community Body. I'm not getting involved. It's not me she's talking about.
Right,
so
you're not like that,
I don't
right?
need to. But
Good, decent.
the man them know what I'm saying.
Right.
And she know who she's speaking about.
Right.
Sassy,
Yeah.
tell us the title of your song and give us a little
So the
rundown.
title of my song is Move.
Move.
Yeah.
Some more cuss out.
It's same song.
Same right there, so.
Right through. Yeah. We have to around the little waist boy then when I
Oh,
want,
God.
you know? Yeah. So we have to tell the females then say it's time to just get independent and make a boy know say move, you can go on. If you're not go on with what you have to go on with, just move. A time to move up. We're not wasting no time this year, neither next year and beyond.
That's right.
Yeah. Tell him to move.
Your song on the Pink Riddim, Pamputtae.
Yeah man, my song Hook. You know the girl them like that song there, yeah. Cause we have the thing where hook them man ya, hook them man ya. Yeah.
See
The
that
big
she-
bad hook.
And she have a drink now.
Yes,
what
ma-
she say,
yes,
and
hook, yes, and you know the hook video out, the medley, yeah.
Yeah.
Some more the item go and subscribe to Pamputtae Viva channel and check out the, you know, the Pink Riddim medley
Yeah,
video.
man. The medley bad, the medley have go on.
Yes, so people check it
Real,
out.
real
Right,
mini movie
Goodyplum?
kind of thing, you know. Real mini movie kind of thing.
True.
Goodyplum. Your song.
Well, my song is called Turn Up.
So
Yeah.
the fruit turn up.
After I hook them, yeah, you know why I hook them? Because it turn up. You understand? Alright. So yeah, the song is called Turn Up.
Yeah.
Is what do I call it now? It's like it's a mini anthem. Cause you know turn up is a slang where they about long time. But the things that want my name out, like when I leave out nobody. You know normally you hear some song and them a bash the girl, them a say, go on you do the plastic body, you do the body and whatever. So me say, your fake ass turn up, everything turn up. We just a big them up. Big up everybody, yeah. Your hairstyle, I don't know woman a big up. Everything.
Everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
I lost them turn up.
Yeah,
Your
mink
style
wash turn up, your nails them all over now.
Your hairstyle turn up.
Hairstyle, everything turn up. So yeah, it's just basically it's really a female song. We not talk about no man at all. In there, I really just for girls them.
For me, I hook them.
Yeah, that is really for the girls them, you know. Like when they hear the song, they want to walk out, bust a wine,
Say
and
it now.
go out with
Every girl-
themselves.
tell them.
Every girl know why you walk out, no. Your man love you, so come talk up, no. You know your mouth, germs not park up, no.
Pat it.
What them a pat? A Pamputtae, mama said a pat. You know what you say?
The good club.
Yes, the
that's how we
good
say
club.
pat it, yeah.
The promotion leg continues and it has been going on great. The feedback is amazing and I mean this whole production is just to show female unity. And them say female unite. But I lie them at tell. I lie them at we show them up.
Yeah.
We show them up.
Yeah.
We're getting support all over both locally and overseas. And it's a good vibe. So the promotion continues, you know.
Definitely.
True.
Pretty Devil.
Yeah man, Pink Riddim still hot, will always
Yeah.
be hot. Be at Riddim, be at female upon the Riddim. Walk on with yourself. We're so nice and clean and trendy.
And tidy.
We're so good. We're tidy.
Boy, I Can't wait for the place to open up back when run up and then
It didn't even have to open back fully, because we're ready. A little troops of things that keep here and there. We have virtual concerts going on. So me and the book, we're ready for it. So when that place open up fully or open up a little bit, we are so ready. We are so ready. And my song is doing really, really well. Talk about.
Right.
Shot a video for that. Coming out this week. You know, nothing normal about talk about.
Video.
No. Yeah. You understand? Because going on, because it's an authentic dancehall. Riddim.
Yeah.
So when I heard the rhythm, a flow just come to me, a familiar flow. Right now, them get me mad. So them get me mad, you know. So that was the vibe, that was the intro. I'm just gonna write tonight. Give them something to talk about. But me not gonna make them draw me out. There's no more you and me. Yeah. Take me name out and run a sim out. Any man who me left, me no take back. So tell him to stop breathing a minute back.
Yeah.
You are not forward, you are set back, and it's go on and on and on and on. Because girl is girl here, that's that kid inside here. I'm gonna perform later, so I'm gonna sing out the whole song. You understand? Come right back right here, so I'm gonna do the same way.
Look out for the performance, then, man.
Not now gonna normal about it. You know me stay already terrible.
Pretty Devil. You're tune from the rhythm.
Run things. The
Run
angel
things.
can relate, you know.
Yeah.
How we say we run things,
Yeah.
things are run late.
Yeah.
All the
When
time.
mommy take him off, he follow back on me. So
It's
is
a
there-
reason.
right.
So-
So it's
so
a
hold on,
reason
hold on,
why
hold
the
on.
angel and the devil sit right here.
It's a reason.
Cause we have a story to tell.
Yes,
Right?
we do. We have something in common. We got something in common. Yes, we do.
So hold on.
No, sir.
So
Yeah.
your song,
Yeah.
talk about.
Talk about any man with me left. Me not take back.
Right. Me not say nothing about that. And then your song now.
Respect me like how you respect your dad. Do for me like how you do for your mom. Defend me like how you defend your gang. And salute your body. And I'm tell the things of the angel.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hold it.
Yo, them out there.
Performance, I'm gonna lit. Shall I start the things them in
It's
the
on
yeah.
our vibes. Community man. Do you have an experience with a community man?
Yes.
All right.
You understand? But here the thing now, I never knew it was a community man. Cause me did
You never know at first.
exactly me did feel say oh, my good up man and faithful
So the
right
more girl
true
them say,
and,
you know.
and all these things until me start get 1 and 2 call from
Yeah.
and some girl I say but you know that brother you know say I mean I say but hold on what's going on here? Is that
Yeah.
community body this?
boy.
You understand? I just have to tell the boy for move.
Which brings us over to Sasique.
That's
And that, yeah man. So Sasique, tell me, why you tell the boy to move? You had an experience?
Alright, yes.
Yes. Everything a true experience. you know,
Right.
So,
Me
yeah.
unruly. I'm like when man rule me and tell me when to sit, when to stand, where to go, when to
But
come.
that's why the man want to rule you.
Bad.
you
No, the
unruly?
boy can't rule me.
You must behave yourself.
No, but if you can go, what make me can go so?
true.
All right.
If you
Fair
want
enough.
party, what make me can party too?
True.
Yeah, so I have that little unruly thing about me. If you tell me say don't do this, or that me I go do.
Okay.
Yeah. 'Cause if me want to do it, you can't stop me from doing it, you know. You can't.
You see it on her face, you know. Unruly.
Yeah, fam, but that's unruly. I just from born, I saw them always a beat me and I say,
Which month you born?
September.
Am I month that, you know?
I'm just stubborn and unruly. I ain't something. I can't, I try.
I am September 15.
Yeah, I'm the 25th.
All right.
Me and the brown.
So,
I try enough time enough to be, you know, that little, but I can't be submissive. I
true.
just get out. I just,
I really think me used to unruly.
So what
But you see
inspired the
now-
change?
You
What-
see now, Teino, I'm trying to
Material,
be good. I'm
yeah.
trying to be good. But him kind of push me to a level where I just want to get, I can't.
Oh, so that man still in your life?
No, different.
Oh, you
man
tell him to
now.
move already,
Yeah,
that one
tell
to
him I want
move.
to move a long time.
Alright.
Years ago, I tell him
Alright.
to move. So me I said, the one with me I deal with.
No,
now.
right.
Me I try to, you know, I try to be of my little self and if you say certain things I'm not like, I try to go around it and come as a girl, but you say something to me when I don't like me, real up and me go on and
Yeah.
I mean I try, you know, come here and say, you know, as a female, you know, but I draw me out still, I draw me out.
This thing here, the reason why I really love it because I remember them always say like females and females don't get along and stuff like that. But we, the Pink Gang, the Pink ladies, we make them know, say, when you know, have to be the best of the best of a friend, to share a stage, to make a money, to make a call and say Goodyplum. Or if you're Goodyplum not good like that, we can make a call and say, yo, call Goodyplum because one man want 2 dub plate and him have this and so on. So at the end of the day, the whole we have kids and we have to eat, and all who don't have kids, we have bills to pay. You understand what I say? So it's really good. Because everywhere I walk here, people say, I love how to go up on the Pink Riddim one night, I'm soon upon this, I'm soon upon that. Really, I love how I love the unity. Like, even the comment them, you can see the people, we love the unity, we like how I go on, woman power, woman time now. Some people are saying, I see in a parliament, I love how I go on. So we know we can't, this is not something we are fake. It's real, it's something we're real energy daddy. Because we have to big up Delamar same way. Because enough man are going to take the time out.
As much as we're miserable.
We're miserable upon him too. We're not miserable, but we're miserable upon him too. And sometimes we do something. You know, we are female. And we're hard to deal with sometimes. I'm not going to tell you a lie. We're hard to deal with sometimes. And so much female and Delamar take him time out. Yo, before we even reach here, for the interview, him send one length of voice note a cuss way. I do everybody just do a laugh. Who don't answer me when my voice note, you know? Who don't rip? So I big up Delamar for really take him time out
do that
and do this way. Because me up enough Riddim. Producers not go on, so sometimes if 10 man they on the Riddim and 1 female, I would female get dropped off. Them now play our song. Some of the people we see them carrying them going to play music and this and that. Some of them now go play this because you have a peer woman, but me not tell a lie. In a way, I give God thanks because enough people gravitate to it and the Pink Riddim are play. So me now go be ungrateful or you understand me like the whole thing we are going. You understand what I say? Then I'm chatting about my business. You understand what I say? We love him same way and we appreciate this and the work we put in, the effort he put in. I not like the Pink Gang, I not like the whole of we sang bad and the whole of we turn up on the Riddim.
Everybody turn up.
I would love the feedback.
When the place open up back more, see the Pink Gang.
No, alright. Me go talk it yes so. Me go talk it right so. You see the Pink Gang and the Pink Riddim. Anytime the place open up back, we gonna do a tour. All female tour, we claims that. You understand what I'm saying? Jesus' name, we claims it.
Alright.
You understand?
Can't when you not go on tour.
Which is right, cause poor is wrong.
For real, man. Yeah, but talking about when the place open up back door. Right now, like everybody have a multi-task and not do some other things. Some people hustle on the side.
Money off me.
So, tell me,
remember me is a hustler from long time. Me is a born hustler.
Talk to me about that.
Yes, man, me is a born hustler. Back then when me much younger and they all a town all a sell. When me a selling now, man, I put on a big show when me a sell seal out 3 sacks 100. Come in my store, me not a window, me not a door. Over here so 3 sacks 100, 3 rack 100. Yes, Marina, you 150 I want. Come over here, so nice girl. I hear so the thing there. Yeah, me is a hustler from long time.
Seal out.
I have things going on. You don't know me. I have my rent table and chair. I do all the friends that buy things and sell when we give people to deal with it. You know, money have to make so everybody have to do them look hustling on the side.
Yeah,
that's say them.
Goodyplum.
Yeah, same thing. I partner with a friend and we rent the throne chairs.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's still going during all of this. You know, people still keep show up and all of them things there. So I have that and they have some local products.
Yeah, I
have some local products. But me sell too and
no, I'm a friend.
With this, with the Pink Riddim, like me do some dub plates. And then
I know the man them like pay.
Them listen because me do a dub plate last week and me wonder why the man take on to that song and so you know not the Pink Riddim ever next song because wait do you know it send them from a page and go search and listen to my music them and them ask for dub plate and so it's like
although them like pay.
Yeah, it hard But we are survive. But you know, really, you know that bad.
No.
You know, the pandemic. We don't
Honestly,
want
me,
the Facebook,
me give
make
God
everything
thanks
go
for
on.
every bit of the time, every bit of the moment. I give Him thanks because it could have worse. You have some people right now who go through it like, you know. I know when people come to me and say, "Yeah, give me something to eat." At 3 days, no, me not eat. Them things that hurt me inside, me melt like more. Ball out and them something they can. Oh, you finna eat for 3 days? Food? Come on, man. I know you have people there that we have food where they not even eat it, they might spoil, they might dash it away and them something there.
So you do like none of them little things in the community like.
No, mama always I do man. Remember, say me have a single mother foundation. Remember, Pamputtae single mother foundation. They can reach out to me, they can donate stuff to me. You know, we help a whole heap of people. Right now, me and a little thing where me try to get some tablet. Cause you have some mothers out there reach out to me. You know, them a single mother, they not have it, them need a tablet. Some people have tablet and don't have any internet and things like that. So a whole heap of little things me do. We get some tablet for you and we just send them country. It's either two over there, so one over there. So you have a mother, she have 4 kids. I tell her, say, I can't give her the whole 4, but I can give her 2. You have somebody have 2 kids, no, I can give them 1. And you understand what I say? I just do it and I try to share the little I have and spread the love. You understand?
It's something that we need more of in the industry.
Definitely. Absolutely. Because we have to face the reality, which is dancehall, reggae, the music industry is male dominated. Male dominated in terms of artists, in terms of producers, in terms of director. The whole industry is male dominated. You understand? So we need more strength behind the woman them. So when Delamar linked us up to do this now, I was very happy, very honored to be a part of it, and we feel like more producers. Big up the producers that has done it, because other producers has done it before. You understand? But we encourage more producers to do this because it's a good look.
It's actually few and far apart in terms of producers who have actually done all female rhythms. What you would say, Sasique?
Yeah, because I myself produce an all-female rhythm. 2017, Pamputtae can tell about it because Pamputtae is on it. Shana Chin is at 10 million views on YouTube, and her song is in a documentary on Netflix. Because when I first got the rhythm, it was supposed to be for me, a 45 for me, but when I listened to the rhythm, I said, no man, I have to jump on the rhythm, it's too bad. And the first thing that came to my mind was all females. I mean, I said, you know, I always try to support females. So I say, I gotta just put all females on it because them get the less attention in the music, them have it hard and things. So I just call some females and them come together and they do it, and it was a good look.
It was a good look. Alright. Yeah, man. So, I mean, stage show now keep right now and thing, but you think that when you have these rhythms out and more songs pushing the females, you think that by the time, hopefully, next year sometime, some shows start roll out again, and you think promoters will be more obliged to put on some more females?
They see the unity and they see the progress and they see the strength between us females, so there will be more what you call it now, to do it. Because even now, promoters abroad calling me and saying to me that Sasique, I would love to book a show with you and the other girls, but because of the pandemic now, so you know, they're on the sideline looking and planning to do this after probably maybe 2021 when things calm down and stuff like that.
See, so big plans in place already for even overseas shows for the female artists. So yeah man, it's a good look.
A lot of people see it and want to jump on it, you know. That's true. Yeah, a lot of people see it and want to interview us and all of these things. So they want to.
Yeah man, I echo what Sasique is saying, because we're doing the promotion now. We're all over doing the necessary promotion. A lot of the radio DJs are playing it. So big up to the radio DJs who want more strength on it too. You understand? So while we're here doing the work, by next year now when things open up, the promoters then will say, all right then, you know, we want to work with them, because we see them put in the work. You understand?
And I want to say this too, like the radio disc jockeys, the females, we want them to give a little bit more strength. because I heard some of them playing the rhythm and they only play 2 songs. Well, I don't hear it. People always call me and say, Sasique,
only 2 songs after the...
Area Feminine, just 2 songs, them play, because I sit down and wait to hear a song, and I just 2 songs play. And I say, okay. And it was a female DJ, so we need the female DJ them to jump on the wagon and just do some straight save.
Woman have to support the woman.
That's true.
So female producers are out there, female selectors, female disc jocks, radio hosts, everybody just rally around and just give them a strength.
And push the thing.
Yeah.
But then make it seem as if we're not work.
Why?
But we're out here working.
Yeah. We know say it's not stop. How long you in the music business now?
Why minute you want to say that make people hear?
Why? No, talk it through it in an easy.
Let them know
talk your journey.
I've been doing music from 2005.
Right, talk your journey. Don't never you be ashamed of your journey.
Yeah, because you know one day my brother said to me, Sasique, how long you do music and some other little female come post before you don't feel away?
So
me say I want
never
to really
shame
jump
your
out
journey.
of my eye, come here and say no star.
Alright, so hold
When
on.
did I say that?
Why you think that happened though?
Alright.
What them doing that you not doing, or what you not going to do that them doing? I don't know.
Probably not showing up my body, saying certain things like, you know, the deep show thing and the, you know, them look at something there. Yeah, because what I found out in music, I 3 things around music: madness, badness,
And sex.
and sex. Right?
So,
madness, badness, or sex. So
Yo, Sasique, around some of the 3 things around music: madness, badness,
or sex. So
or sex.
you have to do 1 out of the 3. And if you're not doing 1 out of the 3, you know what
So
I
just
mean.
pick one. Which one you pick?
You know, it's enough time I try to pick one, but we can't. I don't know.
And the badness she want pushing up.
The badness, you know it's the badness.
No, it's a Raine. What you would say?
I respect what she's saying. I don't necessarily. It's not my personal experience in its entirety, because my most popular song where me can go everywhere go sing it and it play enough on radio and all kind of something was Mad Them. Me I sing about being a sexy woman, but it wasn't about sex. You understand?
Honestly, me kind of it's kind of stress me out. Nah, I like that.
Stress out everybody.
It stressed me out because even the teacher herself, it stressed out. Just here, I said, Mommy, me I put up my hand in the class and the woman, nah, look for me. All me I go some me. When I call,
What she does here?
when I call the teacher said, Mommy, just here cannot answer so many questions. You have to give the next kids them a chance.
Our teacher's feeling too bright, man.
So, Jazir have a problem. Jazir said, this is the dumbest thing I ever see online class. Say, dumb to me, Mommy. Mommy, I'm not shouting it dumb to me.
You know what happened to me yesterday? I forgot bury my head in the pillow and cry, but couldn't take it no more. My son, the teacher in front of him, you know, and she said something him not understand. Him leave and come in the room, come wake me up. Him not understand, and everyone him do this right. He said, Jesus have mercy to the teacher in
Are you
front
an
of
assistant teacher?
Yeah, take it. Look here. Me not believe, you know, when them say the teacher get some of the stress and the parents get it because remember doctors, they are trained to be doctors, right?
Yeah.
You know, if your child gets a cut, you put like a band-aid on it, or purple lotion or something. We don't have a boy a stitch.
We don't know nothing
We don't know
past
nothing else. So that's same with the teaching now. Help them the 1 and 2 look at something.
Hey, business of me now tell them, I have to tell me, say, Therefore say, just here, honesty.
Start crying.
Hold on a minute there, I'm just going to Google.
Google our best friend, you know. Google
Me
our
don't
best friend.
know if for me the only man way jump in a Google, right? Me I want if Google to tell you that me can't. Some of them something I don't know for sure. Me don't know, me don't remember. I just look up the basic things that I really know. You understand? But we have to just do what we have to do, you know, to make them be, you know, a better person and stuff like that.
You just go and practice the social distancing, wear the mask and sanitize, and guess what? Bro God, I got open up at the place.
Yeah,
real
December.
soon.
Yeah.
December you go quickly, goodie?
You know, for Christmas. What do you mean? Oh God, man.
No.
We say you want a
We
Christmas.
don't have no holiday, no Easter, no Independence, nothing. We don't get no summer, nothing.
No,
We don't get no
then, hold
holiday.
on. No, but you get the whole year as holiday because you're home.
Yo, that they want me. They want me to stay. I want to fly, go places and go make money and do the things there.
Alright.
And when me a fly, them not for push up the stuff up them nose
Nose and them something like
You know, I mean, there's more to life.
Of course. Well, for me, I'm a mom.
Yeah.
You understand? Me have a 10-year-old.
And some side also most of you go on to,
Of
man.
course.
Exactly.
I'm a mom, so you know that they're staying home now.
Right.
So I'm like a teacher right now. You understand? Me have to help out more in terms of her
You know the
schooling.
settings, man.
Right. Exactly. But of course, I have other business ventures. Like my partner and I, we have a car business. We rent vehicles, we sell vehicles.
Okay.
You understand? We have taxi on the road.
So if you don't want
You
a car
understand?
for rent,
Yes, you
or
link
buy,
up.
Yeah.
Yes, all
Link up Raine.
link up Raine Seville.
I can't afford nothing right now, but
Yeah, man, and you know we have other business ventures that I'm working on. So
Right.
music has never been my only source of income.
Okay.
For music in and out. Today you make a lot, tomorrow
true.
nothing no come.
That's true.
You understand?
and they say you can't put all the eggs in one basket.
Exactly.
So that is
Exactly.
natural.
Exactly.
See some complimentary drinks, you know.
Thank you.
Big up Ribbies. We're on location, Ribbies Barbican, Acropolis. So, yeah, man. Take a sip, man. Take a sip, man.
Okay.
You know, when the drinks get hot. You know, I give it to you guys, bar style, you know.
That's right.
This week. Yeah, man. Sasique.
Let me shout out my business. I'm also a mom. I have an 11-year-old son.
Alright, big up, mommy.
Very smart kid. You know, me have to help him
Yeah.
with his schoolwork, and I also have a close store, Root Girl Couture, and I also sell beauty
Hold
products.
on. You hear our close store name?
Root
Girl
Couture.
Couture.
Yeah.
She not left out the unruly thing, you know.
No,
Nah, leave.
and
Nah,
the
left it
label
out, man.
name is Root Girl Music.
Unruly all the way.
You know?
Unruly straight through.
God help Pierre, man. God help him. Yeah.
And I also sell Yoni products. You can follow the page. It just sparkles Yoni products.
Yeah.
Yes.
Enough things are going, man.
No
No,
things.
sir.
Yeah.
Money have to make from all angles.
Yeah.
You see why I make you and drink? If I have it, I'll drink fast, change all the color. I'm a junk right away.
But
That's why a man can't come tell me about them and bring me out and bring me to a bar. I like how the bar them stay food up on the side of it.
Pamputtae. But no liquor no in this, so you're drunk.
No, I'm not drunk. No, I'm just tell you that's why I walk and drink. I try to tell you because I drink fast. I'm drunk fast. And when them something at me, your clothes leave you fast.
You want to leave fast?
Clothes.
Close, alright.
Yeah.
You have shot a rum, I joke.
No.
But from the other side of things now, you know, outside of the music, I mean, everybody do something else on the side, whether a little side hustle or venture into some other, you know, business or stuff. I'm not start with you.
Oh,
I'm not start with you because me know what I'm going on. I'm a friend for a long
yeah,
time
do
now.
what something, yeah.
But Pretty Devil.
I can't talk my side also. You me, mad.
Alright,
I keep my side also to myself.
I could have watched so. I could have what kind of ask her half the ear.
Yeah, we're
Can I
talking
check?
about the devil.
You know about OnlyFans? So what kind of what kind of side also?
So you feel
No, man, no, man.
Sorry.
Remember me supposed to be a
Can't
team, you
leave the
know.
business. You
We got
can't
a team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The angel and the devil. Alright.
What's her
Calm. Keep calm. Calm down.
So Pretty Devil, never talk to her one away, half ear, half
To the
camera.
side also there.
Because she can't show, make
Can't
you
load
know.
up my side also. Yeah. We can't do that. You
But
mad?
you gotta tell me one away.
One away, definitely.
Alright, cool.
Definitely.
Angel, what you gotta say now?
OnlyFans.
Yeah.
That's my also right now. The sexiest side of the angel.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm at right now. So the man them love it, woman them love it. And for the more provocative side of me, because I'm a model, so I me used to walking around in bikinis and all that. So
Yeah, man.
whenever I post anything on social media, sexy, it always go viral. So I
Right.
say, why not make money off of it? So when I realized that this site is about and it promotes that, I'm just over there go out my fine self, you know?
Yes.
So you
Exposed.
just say you push the envelope more on that.
Yeah, in terms of the
Not
sexiness to the point where they exposed me. I did a song entitled Exposed. We didn't want to get into all of that because girl look clean, girl nice, and girl tidy. So OnlyFans, baby, for all the exclusivity and all the extra sexiness, you gotta pay for it though.
Me, I go ask this question because you said they expose you.
Want a straw, sir?
Feel like say, you know, some things happen and you hear say leak, like our song, and it's like a publicity stunt or a PR move. So what's that a PR move?
No, sir. Me over there with my nice, clean, and tidy self.
Really
No,
leak.
swear say me covered. Swear say me me want to find the right word. Private, and you have to subscribe, you have to sign up, all those things. And when I read the fine print, me here say you can't screenshot all of that. So me over there,
Everything
so when you look, I saw picture that start coming to my phone. I mean, and it happened once, twice.
Everything on fair reason.
Everything on fair reason. And the more I do it, is the more I get subscribers. It's the more money I make. It's the more, and I'm not ashamed of my body. So a lot of women, you know, link me as the angel. They motivate us to keep our bodies in the right way. They motivate us for workout. They motivate us to look good and all these things. So me I say, at the end of the day, there's no shame to that. And all the emancipation part, go look a naked man, naked woman, the right out there.
Yeah,
so that motivates me. Sexiness itself, but I never really expect it, and we just go with the flow. It's me and my body. A minor. Do it big, me coulda never want to do it minor. Only for song back to back. They know so we have promote the Pink Riddim. So we're all about that and all about talk about. Cause them talk about me, them talk about me, come like them. If me no do nothing, you look like them can't yam. If me no, them can't yam.
Next Friday, what me say? Raine Seville no mad over man here. Raine Seville no mad over people, boy pitney here. I want to talk community boy Sasique. What me say? Man a dog, but I know every skirt you fi back off. You know no class, everything you drop. My words hurt you, to the pastor. Community body, community body. Yeah, they are about like run, miss a community body. Community body, community body. Me nah join the neighbor who watch me say community body. What me say? Then after me, give the ugly boy me heart and soul this. Nasty boy nah no self-control, just a put him body part. Every girl soul real life man. They knock the wrong door cause your turn.
Yes.
Tell him to move. Me get new one improve. Run with the boy them way you look girl for you.
Tell him to move.
Have money can buy my own shirts. You want a girl to touch you up, go Star Blues. Tell him to move. We get new one improve. Run with the boy them way you look girl for you. Tell him to move. I coulda way a guy approve. How we walk come get one and move.
What we say?
Hey, Miss a man clown days though. Make sure say you get in your days.
What you say?
If you not have no money, me I go give you.
That's right.
Me no run back, come in the stadium. Enough man no get it and them pay down. Back come on me yard till them clocks wear down. You must see things semi easy to lay down. My bed's well upgrade. I want to kiss son real. Get no one in.
After wine from you know you know deep. Over no man you nah lose, not a sleep. Clothes you wear expensive, them no cheap. Make them chat but to you, them can't speak. You know live under seller, ugly like gorilla, wear out like gorilla, head big like umbrella, full of style like that jelly. Pan acapella, good get seller. As a sheller, girl your body turn up, your well turn up, your bleaching turn up, your lifestyle turn up, girl your body turn up.
My body nice and fat, look at that. Bend it over, show dimple in a back. You from marry the body out with the ring on that. I love it when I catch up my ting them on your rock. Nice and little, make it jiggle, make it wonder, make it wind up my body and I push it out like a nipple. Bend like me cripple. When man a dash money, the amount of it triple. All me have to do all it talk, but we so show the body man I'm mad over. Bubble like soda, bubble like them soap. Clean, girl. How we no care odor. And him want to kiss me all over. Him say my body nice, so till him don't want left. Him say my body nice, so till him don't want left. Him not gonna catch us in this way, him don't want catch. Him not gonna catch us in this way, him don't want catch. Me have a little thing for out them man, yeah. Don't let me up here, man. Hey.
Yeah,
Man,
Big up, yo. That was good. Look,
I know.
Yeah, man, big up Pink Riddim ladies.
I remember the only fruit in dancehall.
Big up the only fruit or the Goodyplum. Big up Pamputtae. Same way. Big up Ribbies Barbican for hosting us. Yeah.
Jump.
Goody. Some water for Goody. Some water. Yeah man. Yeah man, we get some water for Goody. But that's it people. I'm Teino Evans, your host, signing out until next Friday. And of course, you know, check out the other show, the previous show, because more left on the Pink Riddim now. I'm not them alone now.
We alone.
11 of them.
Yeah.
So we have featured a few of them. So 2 the gone already. So click another link.
Few the gone already. Few more.
Alright, few and few more.
Yeah, few more.
We out.